Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be this trendy makeup look, which is called latte makeup. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you want to see how I got it, just keep on watching. First, I'm going to be using my magic cream from Charlotte Tilbury to moisturize and hydrate my skin before makeup. Prep is a key before any makeup application. It makes your skin look so glowy and soft before foundation. I don't prime, so I just skip that. I'm using my foundation from Nars, and I'm gonna list all the names and the colors in the description box. This is my absolute favorite foundation from Nars. I can use this one for the rest of my life. It has a beautiful luminous finish, it's full coverage, and it sits well on the skin. Next, I'm going to be bronzing my skin. I'm bronzing everywhere today because I need to be matching my body, and this makeup look requires a lot of bronzer. And I'm skipping blush today. This is the Nudestix bronzer in the shade Sunkissed. It's creamy. It blends beautifully on the skin. It gives you a beautiful warmth to your skin. I absolutely adore this. Apply it on my nose as well. I know it's not like contouring color, but I just kind of give my nose a little bit of warmth so it doesn't look flat. Next, I'm going to use my Lacome. This is my absolute favorite concealer as well. This is in the shade Bisque, and it's very lightweight, covers a lot. I really like to use this one under my eyes. If you have fine lines and wrinkles, you're in mid-30s, you will love this concealer because it's very, very lightweight and it doesn't settle into your fine lines. I'm going to be doing two steps here with my powder, but I just missed to record one clip. So first I use my pressed powder from one size. I do press that on top of my concealer, and then I go with my translucent setting powder. I use my Mcgrath setting powder, the brightening under eye powder. So that's what I did in this video. Next, I'm going to be warming up my skin a little bit more. I'm using She's So LA from Patrick Ta. This is a cream and a powder duo. I'm just going to use the powder today just to set the Sunkissed from Nudestix in place. And, I kind of use it as a blush as well because we're not using a blush in this video. I'm using my Film Star palette from Charlotte Tilbury. It's broken into pieces. I'm going to fix it with some alcohol, but I use the highlighter in the palette. It's absolutely my favorite bronzer and highlighter duo. And I'm going to apply that highlighter as well in my inner corner and on my nose as well. I was thinking of a palette, so this is what it came to my mind to create this latte makeup look. I'm using the Too Faced palette. I'm gonna set my lids first, and I'm gonna jump into that warm brown shade. And you can skip this step by using your bronzer because this is very similar to a bronzer color, but I'm just using this palette here, so I'm just gonna keep using it. I'm gonna apply that on the lid and all over my crease, and I'm not precise at all with this shade. So I'm gonna be messy at the beginning, and then I'm gonna get a clean brush and I'm gonna just blend the edges at the end. So I'm just doing the same thing here on the other eye all over, and then I'm gonna clean the edges with this brush here, which is clean, no product on it, just going over the edges. And I'm gonna take another brush and I'm gonna use the same shade and I'm just gonna smudge it under the eyes as well. You can be as messy as you want because this is what the look is about. I don't like to drag it out more than this, to be honest, because I feel like I look weird and it messes my under eyes and it doesn't look clean. I don't know, it's just me, but this is how I like it. Next, I'm going to be using a darker brown shade. Some people use a brown pencil. I don't like to use pencils, to be honest. I don't know, they just smudge and they go on my lid, and I have hooded eyes, so I don't like that look. So I'm just using a shadow. And next I'm using a brown pencil, and I'm just gonna place it in my waterline and a little bit on the lower lashes as well. Here I'm just applying some mascara before my falsies. And the last step on the lid is a bronzy, shimmery eyeshadow. This is again from the same palette. I really love this look so far. I love the warmth and the bronzy look. I'm using a brow pencil from Gift Beauty. This is the shade dark brown, I believe. I'm really enjoying this pencil so much from Give Beauty. It's pigmented and it stays put all day. I'm just applying a little bit more of that She's So LA from Patrick Ta on my cheek and warming up my nose a little bit more because I just wanted more warmth to my face. Next, I'm using half lash. This is the Ardelle 420. I cut them in half and I'm just placing them in the outer corner. Next, I'm using a lip pencil from Makeup Forever. This is in the shade Anywhere Caffeine. And I'm just applying a little bit of Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk in medium all over my lips. Now I'm going to apply some lip gloss. This is in the shade 130, I believe, from Dior, just to give me that beigey look to my lips. And I'm just smudging my lashes and my fake lashes together just to kind of make them look more natural. This is the finished makeup look. I really enjoyed doing this makeup look because this is really my go-to makeup look for the summertime. I love those bronzy brown colors on my skin, and especially in the summertime. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please subscribe for more videos and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.